Hi friends, in this video we'll learn about the treatment of bad debts. Now, first of all, what is the entry we write for bad debts when debtors are written off? Let us take a hypothetical example, 2 lakh worth of debtors have been written off. What is the entry we pass? We pass the entry bad debts account debit 2 lakhs to debtors account 2 lakh. This is the entry we pass to write off bad debts. So bad debts account is debited and debtors account is credited. Now the question arises, what should I do with this loss of 2 lakh rupees? There can be two situations here. When there is no provision, when there is no provision for bad debts, that means the provision for bad debts account is showing a zero balance. So in such case, how do you deal with this bad debts loss? What you do is you close this account by transferring it to the profit and loss account. We pass the entry P&L account at R2 bad debts account rupees 2 lakh. So when there is no provision existing in our books of accounts for bad debts, then the loss is simply transferred to the P&L account and we close the bad debts account. We pass the entry P&L account at R2 bad debts. Now there can be another situation when provision for bad debts is having a balance, say rupees 3 lakhs. Let us suppose in our books there is some balance in the provision for bad debts account. There is an account which is there in our books of account provision for bad debts and it is having a balance of say 3 lakhs. Provision for bad debts account will show a credit balance. So I'll prepare the account here. Provision for bad debts account is showing a balance by balance brought down of 3 lakhs. So now how do you deal with this loss in this situation? So in such a case, for meeting these kind of losses, we have already created a provision in the past. So this loss has to be now not transferred to the P&L account, it should be transferred to this provision for bad debts account. So when there is an existing provision to meet such losses, we are not going to transfer the loss to the P&L account, we will transfer the loss to the provision account. In such case, we will pass the entry profit and loss account, we'll pass the entry provision for bad debts account debit to bad debts account 2 lakhs rupees. This is the entry we pass. So we are going to close the bad debts account by transferring it to the provision for bad debts account. I'll write the entry again for you. We'll pass the entry provision for bad debts account debit rupees 2 lakh to bad debts account rupees 2 lakh. So this is the entry we are going to pass when we have an existing provision for bad debts. I have written the same entry, but because it may confuse you, because the entry is going nearly into the account, just don't want to confuse you. So this is the entry we are going to pass when there is an existing provision for bad debts. We are going to use that provision. We are going to transfer the loss. We are going to close the loss account by crediting it and debit the loss not to the P&L account but to provision for bad debts account. So now provision for bad debts will be debited with 2 bad debts rupees 1 lakh. So when you have an existing provision for bad debts to meet bad debt losses, the bad debt losses should not be debited to P&L account. It should be debited to the provision for bad debts account. Okay. So this is what we have learned in this video. So if there is no provision for bad debts, the entry to transfer the loss of bad debts is P&L account at R to bad debts. If there is an existing provision for bad debts, then the entry we are going to pass to close the bad debts account is provision for bad debts account that are to bad debts. So entry for bad debts can be divided into two parts, like in two situations. First entry is bad debts to debtors, then second entry is P&L account debit to bad debts. This set of entries is passed when no provision is maintained. When no provision for bad debts is maintained in our books, these are the two entries we are going to pass: bad debts account that are to debtors, P&L account that are to bad debts. When provision for bad debts exists, it is there in our books of account, then what are the entries we are going to pass? When debtors become bad, we are going to pass the entry bad debts account that are to debtors with the amount of bad debts. Then this loss is not transferred to the P&L account, it is transferred to provision for bad debts. We pass the entry provision for bad debts account debit to bad debts account. This is the entry we pass with respect to bad debts when there is a provision for bad debts to meet that loss. Thank you. I hope you are able to understand this.